Yo guys, welcome back to another trade recap. We got Paulo in the background. In this video, this is actually going to be the winning day for our payout. So we did secure payout, guys. Let's go. Last time I secured a payout was back in October, which if you do the math, that's like 4 months ago. Kind of crazy. Not that crazy. I knew I was able to get another payout. I just had to follow my rules. But let me show you guys the trades that I took. So I traded Asia. I didn't trade New York today. It is Friday today. I didn't trade it simply because I was just trying to secure the winning day. But yo, chill out, Polo. So to start off during Asia, we ended up opening. Yeah, we ended up opening super low. We ended up just dumping most of the beginning of Asia, like the first hour. And then we got this big move up after rejected off of a 4 hour. Um, over here, I'm not gonna scroll all the way back there, but there's a 4 hour, trust me. 4 hour fair value gap. Ended up rejecting off of it. I was still bearish because we're overall bearish trend. So, up here we did tap into an hourly and a 5 minute gap. We created an SMT. I saw this nice 1 minute IVG. Hold on, Polo. I don't know why he's crying, guys. So we did create this nice little upside down V shape. Looked like a nice reversal. We had an SMT at this high, rejecting off 5 minute hourly. And overall I was a bearish, right? So I was going for 1 to 2. Ended up stopping me out and then continuing to profits right after, which is very unfortunate. My bias was correct. I just didn't get the best entry. So I was like, okay, I'll just wait for the 9 p.m. candle, which is a new 4 hour candle. I was basing it off of the fib, so I waited for a fib. We retraced back into a 5 minute gap. We had external SMT, internal SMT. Then I drew the top of the leg with the bottom of this 1 minute range, tapped into OTE. Also, it inversed this 1 minute, tapped into this other 1 minute gap. And then if you zoom in here, we created this nice little upside down V shape. Boom, entered off of there. I added 2 micros because I was already down. I wasn't trying to risk that much. So as soon as I seen it tap back into this range, I tapped another because I was just so confident in this trade. Now my target aligned with the fib. So the negative 2.25 level, which also aligned with the CE of the 15 minute gap. So if you I grabbed the GAN box. I like using the GAN box because it marks out all the levels. It doesn't just mark out the 50% level, it marks out the 25 and the 75. But yeah, basically I marked out the entire 15 minute, and it also perfectly aligned with point 0.5 of it, which is the CE, consequent encroachment. I don't know how to say that, guys. I'm not that nerdy. But um, dang, I'm gonna have to scroll back all the way over here. Okay, so it aligned perfectly. Yo, it aligned perfectly with that. So I set a limit buy order here since I was 4 micros. I set a limit buy order right at that level, and it's kind of crazy. I ended up bottom ticking this whole thing, or yeah, I took profits at the very low. So if you guys see here, 26.5, 26.5, literally came down, wicked me into profits, and then I think we caught low of day, guys. So if I would have entered longs here, I would have caught this whole move, which is kind of insane. And if you grab the price range tool and mark out that level, 675 points from where I exited the trade. So kind of crazy how that fib and the CE align so perfectly. Nah, I don't think it's luck, honestly. Also, with the volume profiles, there was this. So with the volume profiles, it's pretty straightforward. So it's like bookshelves, right? There was this big area here at the time. Let's see if it still shows. So if you guys see here, if I take off this line, you guys see this, you can kind of, basically with this, you want to be able to stack books on top of this. So there was this flat line here indicating that volume was likely to reject off this area. So after we tapped into that, there were just so many confluences just for this level, and it just ran crazy after that, which is still insane to me. But anyways, if we look at the stats, got a 70% win rate on this account. It should be 80 though, because one of them was a break even, but Top Step likes to take those as losses. We had one losing trade on Wednesday, which could have easily been avoided if I just set my stop loss at the swing high. But that's how I learned. So basically, I think oh, we're 5-6-0 because, well, I did take a loss, but this loss today would have just been the only loss. But yeah, I was able to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning days. I'm able to request a payout, but I have to wait till Sunday because I have to wait for this day to be over, and then I have to request it during CME trading day. So that would be Sunday night once Asia opens. Um, it's alright, I'm patient, but yeah, I'm just gonna take a bit of the profits. I would want to stack up the account, build a bigger buffer, but since I haven't requested a payout in 4 months, I don't really need it. I don't need it. Like I'm well, I have a job still, but I would prefer to just take it out and then be able to build it back up again. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Whoever watches this series or whoever is just watching the videos overall, I love you guys. Thank you for everything you guys do for me. Just simply by watching this video, being in my Discord, even if you don't, even if you're not subscribed or anything, bro, like you're the GOAT just for watching this video. But many more to come. It just proves and it shows that if you follow your rules for 2 weeks, now this wasn't even 2 weeks, 1 week, you can get a payout. Because that's what I told myself. I'm like, I gotta stop playing. I was playing too much. I was messing around too much. Strictly follow your rules, and boom, there you go. There's proof for you guys. Thank you again. I love you all, and make sure you guys tune in to the next video. Peace out.